You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. to be successful in life. You can wake up at 8 a.m. The only difference what it makes in life is what you do with the hours while you are awake. If you actually spend most of the hours by doing things which don't add value to your life, you cannot learn from it and you cannot actually appreciate the skills you learn, but you just waste your time. Well, this is not what's going to lead you to success. So waking up at 5 a.m. and having a strict routine is not necessarily the case. Wake up at 8 a.m., but wake up and get the things done. Things which move the needle, not just BS around. That's not going to make you successful.